Hello, my dear students. Today, let's start Unit 4. First, today we will learn one poem, Rain. But before we start, I want to remind you rhyme. You all know the rhyme in KG section. You have sung that rhyme, right? I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I wet through, I wet through. You all know, right? This rhyme, and we all like rain. We like to enjoy rain. So this is also a beautiful poem on rainy season, rain. So today we will understand this poem. We will know about some new words, and we will also do question answers and some exercises. So let's start today's English session. Students, open your English textbook, page number 54. Let's start Unit 4. Poem Rain. First, let's recite this poem. The rain is raining all around. Repeat after me. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. And on the ships at sea. See, this is a beautiful small poem written by Robert Louis Stevenson. This is the name of the poet, the person who has written this poem. Right? The rain. Very beautiful poem. Now let's understand what is there in this poem. The rain is raining all around. The rain is falling down everywhere. Right? It falls on field and tree. Where the rain is raining, it falls on field. Field means farm, when the farmer works, right? So it falls on field and tree. On the tree also the rain is raining. On the farm also as well as on the tree also. It rains on the umbrellas here. Where it rains on the umbrellas. The rain is also falling down on the umbrellas and on the ships at sea. And the ship is there in the sea. There also the rain is falling down. So here the poet is telling that rain is raining all around. Everywhere the rain is raining. It falls on field and on tree, on umbrella and on the ship at sea. So this is the small poem, beautiful poem written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Now first let's understand new words of this poem. First word, all around. ALLAROUND, all around. Repeat after me, all around. Second word, filled. FIELD, filled. Third word, umbrella. UMBRELLA, umbrella. You all know the meaning of umbrella. Fourth, sea. SEA, sea. Fifth, ship. SHIP, ship. So this is a small poem, so only 5 new words are there. Now let's see some words with meaning of this poem. First word, all around. All around means everywhere, right? Har jagah, everywhere, all around. Second word, filled. An area of open land planted with crops. Right? Field means farm, an area of open land planted with crops. We can also call it farm, right? Then third word, ship. Large boat for transporting people or goods by sea, right? Ship means large boat, a huge boat, and for transporting people or goods by sea. By sea, if we want to go to one place to another place, from one place to another place, and if any goods we want to take from one place to another place by sea, then we use ship, right? So these are some words with meaning. Now let's see some sentences. Make a sentence from the following words. See, here some words are given. We have to frame the sentences. First word, filled. Here I have written some sentences, but you can frame your own sentences also. So see, first word, filled. The farmers were watering the crops in the field. Right? Field means, I told you that field means farm. So the farmers were watering the crops in the field. Field में farmer crops को water दे रहे थे. Were watering. Right? That's why. Second word, umbrella. You all know what is umbrella. My umbrella is red in color. My umbrella is red in color, right? Then third word, ship. The ship left for England at 2 in the morning. The ship left for England. Ship England जाने के लिए सुबह 2 बजे निकला, right? So these are some sentences.